Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to lock and protect your sheets in Excel, Word, Microsoft Office. So first, if you want to protect all, you're gonna Control A. So you're going to Control A so you can select all, then right click, Format Cells, Lock, so their protection. So select Protection, Lock, so you're going to lock it. So all of these cells are locked. And then you can choose a different cell. For example, these three. Format cell, and then uncheck the lock buttons. So the locking system here is locking cells or hiding formulas has no effect until you protect the worksheet in the review tab. So we're going to lock it. And then we're going to go to the view, protect sheet, and we're going to put a password. For example, banana. So we can check this protect worksheet and contents of lock cells. So we lock these cells. We're going to go to OK. And we're going to re-enter the password. So now these unlocked sheets or columns, you can type in it. But in the lock one, you cannot because it's protected. So the all three is protected. So how will you type in it again? So you go to the review, press unprotect sheet, and just enter the password. And there you go. You can type in it again. So that's the easy way to lock and protect sheets column in Excel. Thank you.